my client, Mr. T.200 Shira, Honorable Deputy Speaker of Meghalaya. He has given his statement under Section 323 of BNSS, and his statement has been recorded. Now court will examine in the criminal proceeding. His statement will be examined, and then the court will issue process if they are satisfied that there is a defamation against my client.
Earlier, the court is already summoned, no?
No, there are two cases. If you recollect, there are two cases. One is a civil case and one is a criminal. Today you are talking about the criminal case. Earlier it was the civil case where we have claimed a compensation for defaming my client, 200 crores, 100 crores from each of the accused people. And in that defamation, in this civil defamation, we have demanded 100 crores from each of the respondent. That is Mikanchi and Balshrang. His entire family and his entire Iingdorbar Shira family, the Maharis, they are all aggrieved with this kind of YouTubers who has published the news. Well, see, everyone has the right for giving their own opinions in different various matters which comes up for discussion in the social platform. But without hurting the sentiment, without defaming someone, anyone can say anything, but not by defaming someone.